So the first and foremost is focus on your fundamentals. Focus on the math part of it. Understand your statistics well. That forms the basis for everything above it. For example, statistics. If at one there is even a meme which says that AI is statistics on steroids. Yeah. So in essence, being able to look at a lot of data and make sense out of it is what AI is trying to do. And for that to understand the basis of the data, you need very strong mathematical skills, very strong statistical tools and knowledge. And after that, not everybody is going to be writing AI algorithms and AI tools on a daily basis. They're only going to look at raw data, they're going to make sense out of it, use AI to crunch it. So in essence, understanding data better, which your curriculum will give, and understanding math better, being comfortable with numbers, is what the additional skill that you would require. So the first is, as I said, focus on the data, collect good data, ensure that you clean up data. When I say clean up, there is a lot of data out there, but not all data is homogeneous. Not all data is coming from the same lab. So how do you mix data? How do you understand it? So that one, your primary skills will help in understanding the data. The next is using the tools. Learn simple programming skills, or at least use tools like R to understand better and then use it. But do not miss the bandwagon, because almost all work that we do over time is going to be taken over by AI, or is going to be aided by AI at one level. So the first thing about learning any new field or entering into this one is there is always this fear of the unknown. So a lot of the kids, when they grow up, if they like biology, there is an inherent switch which says that they dislike math or something like that, and that one becomes a big impediment to learning, because when you have to use AI, you need to know programming, you need to know math, and you need to know your domain of your interest. But when we talk about it, you should be very good in your domain. The rest of them are skills that you need to navigate the space. So it is not that everybody is going to do a lot of ordinary differential equations and big or write long programs. But these are all tools that they need to know, and to know that they need one level of understanding. And I think get out of that cocoon first. Be open to learn things. Be open to look at the world in a different way. It will happen.